We are planning our long summer trip, and we're leaning towards taking just the van. You know what that means? There's a lot of work to do before it's ready. Sound deadening going in the walls. Well, we're done with the sound deadening in the walls, and it's helped so much that we've decided to add it to other places that are still giving off some road noise. So before I could get the camera out, somebody ripped the panel off the inside of the door. Okay, so here's the insulation that Chevy thinks is necessary in the back doors. It's no wonder those things are freaking ridiculously loud. So we're gonna put sound deadening in. All right, let's see if this works. Sound deadened to the inside of the doors. Super flimsy door covers back on. Now we're gonna sound deaden the floor before we put the flooring in. Even though there's insulation under it, we decided it can't hurt. So here we sit in our aluminum foil lined van. I wonder how much quieter it's gonna be. We're going to the Home Depot to get the aluminum angle for the doorway so we can start putting the flooring in now. This is exciting. I'm getting ready to install the flooring. But first we're going to paint the little edge there that could possibly show around the little threshold piece that we're putting in. We're installing the MSI Everlife waterproof rigid core LVT flooring. Same flooring we have in our house in the last year and a half. It hasn't buckled or stretched or anything with the heat from the front window, so we think it's going to be a good option in the van. Flooring starting to go in. It's getting close to being done. In good old Washington fashion, it is pouring down rain outside right now. The flooring is in. Now we just have to trim out the edges. Here's the first one. Ready to go. There you have it. Floor's in. All back together. Boy, does he look nice. Trimmed out the floor. I still gotta add a little corner piece there and caulk this. That's looking pretty sweet.